Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing Kamala Harris. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, something to draw with, I'm using a black marker that you can change for pencil. Okay, let's start in the middle of the paper. The first thing I'm gonna do is the eyes. I wanna start with the right eye with that oval shape. Now I wanna leave a space and going with the left. And now let's fill them with black. Let's continue with the eyebrows, 2 little lines over the eyes. And now the nose is gonna be in between the eyes and it's gonna be a letter L. It's a kind of like a letter J more than a letter L. Now let's do a smile. It goes side to side where the eyes are, underneath the nose, 2 lines in each side, and then we're gonna join these two together right here. Now I'm gonna put 2 little lines in the center just to make it look more like teeth, and pass my marker twice on the sides. Okay, now I'm gonna do the hair. So from here, from the nose, I'm gonna put a little dot, and from this dot I'm gonna come down with a curved line and I pass the eyes. Now let's close this up, going up and coming back down, and I join just right there. So I'm leaving a little bit of a line out. Now I'm gonna put 2 or 3 lines here for the hair, just like that. We're gonna continue with this line. We're gonna do one more here, a little curve. I'm going to the left side now, so I'm gonna do a curved line that goes past the eyes. And let's do the same thing we did in the other side. We're gonna go up and coming back down right there. Now I'm gonna repeat these lines here. I'm gonna do lines inside. 2 or 3 lines is good for the hair. Now let's do here a little line that goes down just a little bit, and the other side too, just underneath the hair. And we're gonna do ears, so 2 letter C shapes for the ears. And I wanna put an earring, so I'm gonna do a circle underneath these letter C's, okay, for an earring. Now let's join these two together with a curved line that goes underneath the mouth and it comes back up. Good. Now let's continue with the neck, and here I'm gonna do a necklace. So I'm gonna start doing circles really close first to the shin, and then goes a little bit down and it comes back up, getting too close to the shin. Now I'm going to continue with the hair here. I'm going to do a letter J shape here, one more, and the last one here. Let's close. Now let's do the same in the other side. This time the letter J is going to be backwards. 1, 2, and 3. One more. There. That's the hair. Now for the neck, or the part of the suit, we're going to do a triangle shape. And now from this point, I'm going to go down with 2 diagonal lines. 1 on the left. Now let's do 1 on the right. And I'm leaving a little bit of a space on the top next to the necklace. Now let's connect these 2 on the bottom with a little bit of a curved line. Now let's do a line in the middle. And here I want to do a little square where we're going to draw after a flag. Next is the arms. I'm going to start with the left side with a diagonal line that goes out. And now I'm going to go on the right side, and it's the same thing as a line with the hair. Let's do one more. Let's leave a space in between and do one more. And this one is a little shorter because here we're going to do the elbows and the other side of the arm. See, and we're gonna connect these 2 with a line and another one. Let's go down again. Here, let's put 2 lines, and I'm gonna go up and connect. Good. Now her hands are on her waist, and we are going to do 2 little curves in each side. Now I'm gonna connect this here. Here I don't have the space, and now let's go around with another curved line. There. Now let's continue with the pants. She's wearing pants, and these are just going to be 2 diagonal lines in each side. And in the middle, I want to trace here, kind of like a shape, a triangle. And let's connect these 2 and that's it. For the feet, I'm just gonna do an U shape in each side. And now for the heels, we're gonna go around this shape, around, and here I'm gonna do a square. And there, that's it, we finished. And here's where you're gonna stop the video if you wanna finish something with it. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.